Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Chigirl Remedies. If today is your first time of stopping by, you are highly welcome. So guys, in today's video, I'm going to share with you guys what you use to clear that dark elbow and dark knuckles. I'm going to share with you home remedy, just home remedy, what you have in your kitchen that we use to clear up that place. If this sounds interested, sounds like what you are interested on, just keep on watching. But don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment. Share this video to your friends and to your loved one. Just click on that button down below and turn on notification so you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. Without wasting much of your time, let's just get into the video. What I'm going to add to this plate is sugar. I'm going to add sugar to the plate. I'll just add 1 teaspoon of sugar. Then the next I'm going to add is coffee. I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of coffee into the plate. Next I'm going to add is rice powder. Rice powder has lighting properties. It will help to brighten up the area, that elbow area, and just make it to look bright. I'll add just 1 teaspoon of rice powder. Has both exfoliating and skin lighting properties that will help to remove and build up the dead skin cell. It can just, it has the property that will just remove that dark place. Of baking soda into the plate. And I'll mix all together. I'm going to add is lemon. So I'm going to press my lemon. 1 tablespoon. Right now I'm going to press the lemon into the... To just see, when you're pressing the lemon, it will just, foam to show that it's very, very active. I'll mix everything together. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment. Share this video to your friends and to your loved ones. Just click on that red button down below and turn up your notification to also be notified whenever I upload a new video. Add 1 teaspoon of sugar again. So guys, this is what you need to just clear that dark elbow. This is just what you need. You will just use it 3 times a week. You will see it will just clear everything, okay? Just hold on. I'm going to show you guys how to use it. Guys, this mixture works so well. It works very well. If you use it the way I directed in this video, it's gonna work for you. Baking soda has a lighting property that will just lighten up the place and that will remove dead skin cells. White rice powder still have brightening properties as well as lemon. So all these things I use is just something that have lighting properties that will just brighten up the area you are looking for, up the area like your knuckle or your elbow. Just go ahead and try it. After 3 days you start seeing the result. Please make sure you massage the area very well. Give it like 2 to 5 minutes massage. Then you will allow it to stay in the same area for 15 minutes before washing it out. You will see how it just clear area, brighten up the place. So right now, how you're going to preserve it, just put it into your fridge. Anything you want to use it, just bring it out and use, okay? Here comes the end of the video. Hope you guys love it. Hope you guys enjoy it. If you do, don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment. Share the video to your friends and to your loved ones. Just click on that red button down below and turn up the notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video, okay? Bye bye. See you guys in my next video.